So welcome back students. So this is the process and how to the one amoeba has been converted into the daughter amoeba. Okay, and this process actually is called your binary fission. Okay. Now coming to the point, that is your kingdom of fungi. So fungi actually basically yours a non-green part, or you can say that the lacking of the chlorophyll. It present in eukaryotic organisms also, and fungi sometimes it form in unicellular and sometimes it form the multicellular organisms. So we know that some of the examples of the unicellular and multicellular means fungi, that these are the example like your yeast, mushrooms, penicillium. So these are the examples of the fungi. So fungi actually is one kind of another kind of kingdom classification part, and some like your yeast and mold, penicillium. Like your yeast, we know that these are the example. Okay, and beside your mold is the another part of the fungi that is actually used in the bacteria. Means your antibiotic purpose. We know that the very important and renowned Penicillium notatum that is produced from this fungi, and which can be destroy the bacteria. So it is a antibiotic action is there, and the substance called the penicillium is an antibiotic used for fight diseases caused the bacteria. You can say that this is the another means the helpful, or you can say that the another important aspect of the fungi, that is your mold. So mold, that is your Penicillium notatum. Okay. Like your in case of fungi, there are the process is involved again, like your amoeba, that is your nutrition, structures and reproductions also. And reproductions also in the reproduction takes place in both sexual and asexual. Means asexual, in case of reproduction, that time the budding is most important thing. So this is the process of the budding. This is the budding process. This is the nucleus, this is the vacuole, and this is part the cytoplasm. Again the two part is there, one is daughter part, another is the parent part. So this is actually is your budding in yeast. So reproduction is two part is happened in this way. Okay, like your in your bread mold. The bread mold is a multicellular fungus. It appears in a white cottony growth. You know very well, in a bread also sometimes some fungus is growth. So that is actually the bread mold. Actually, this is your bread mold, and some other that time some other cottony, that means the surface of this bread actually consists of thread like filament, that is actually is your hyphae, that is your single form is hypha, and network of hyphae is called the mycelium. Okay, and this actually the hyphae grow horizontally on the surface of the bread, and some hyphae are grow downwards, and this structure is called your rhizoids, and some hyphae are grow upward also. Okay, so this is all about your bread mold. Nothing is important from this part. Now coming to the point, that is your nutrition purpose. So bread mold is a saprophytic, and it derives its nutrition process and from dead and the decaying materials and the hyphae of the fungus, and after that the digestive juice are occurred, and their nutritions are being fulfilled, okay, by this process. And the respiration purpose also, I mean, again like your amoeba, respiration is also needed, and the respiration basically your aerobic respirations. Aerobic respiration means the respiration whenever the oxygen is required, and the oxygen is taken in the form of atmosphere, and the carbon dioxide is given out. Like your human being, it is for the reason that the hyphae grow on the top layer of the bread. Okay, so some of the harmful effect as well as the useful of the fungi also, like your bacteria. So some other harmful effect of the fungi, sometimes fungi damages the food products, paper, leather, paint and textile. Some other fungi causes the disease in crops. Okay, some other mushrooms like the toadstools and the sometimes it is very poisonous. One beautiful mushrooms, Animalia cotton, is poisonous and deadly to the humans. Okay, and some other useful of fungi, that is your some fungi such as mushrooms are edible, and we can you can take in our food purpose also. Some other fungi produce the antibiotic, that is most important, and disease fighting bacteria antibiotic, that is Penicillium notatum is obtained for the fungus for penicillium. Another fungus that is your aspergillus is used for the producing of large quantities of the citric acid used for softening industry. So the various useful aspects of the fungi also. Okay, these are being used in fungi. So these are all about your harmful and the useful effect of the fungi. Now coming to the point, that is your kingdom of plantae. Kingdom of plantae is a basically it is your that is your three types. That is, one is a green algae, that is your actually called the thallophytes. It is basically your aquatic and can prepare their own food. Autotrophic means self dependent, and it is a content of green pigment. Some Calaimodomonas, it is a unicellular organism like Spirogyra. These all are the example of the thallophytes. So basically the short question you will ask from this chapter, so you read the details, no need to the long questions. Okay, like your Spirogyra is example of the thallophytes. Okay, like your Calaimodomonas, these are the example. Okay, now coming to the point, that is your Biophyta. So Biophyta is a green plant like structure.